Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on two-step verification on Roblox. First thing you do is open up your Roblox app on your mobile phone, then or device, tap on more at the bottom, then tap on settings, next tap on security. Remember, we want to turn on two-step verification. Give it a few seconds. And you can see security, two-step verification. Two-step verification is an extra layer of protection to your account. So let's do it. We have two options under here. We have authenticator app and we have email. So and we have hardware security. Let's say I want to use email, so I turn this on. Use your passkey to confirm it's really you. The device will ask for your fingerprint, face ID, or screen lock. So verify. Once you finish verifying, it's turned on. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.